Good morning all of you. In the previous class we have understood the concept of integers. Now in this class we will be going to do the sum based on that concept. We will be starting exercise 1.1. 1.1 question number 1 first part. In question number 1 we have to find the sum of 256 and minus 312. So for finding the sum we have to add them. We have to put add sign here and there is already minus with 312, 256 plus minus will become minus 312. Answer will be 56. We have to do minus sign. We have to do minus here. Answer will be 56. And before 312 there is minus sign. We have to put minus sign here because we have to put the sign of bigger number. In second question we have to subtract. We have to subtract 32 from minus 56. The number which comes after from will be written first. Minus 6 will be written first. Then we have to subtract 32 from minus 56. Write minus 32 after that. Minus minus will become plus. We have to add them. Answer will be 88. As I said before 56 there is minus sign. We have to put minus sign here because we have to put the sign of bigger number. You have to do question number 1 and question number 2 remaining part yourself. Now we will be doing third question. In third question subtract the sum of minus 524. We have to subtract the sum of minus 524 and 678. We have to find the sum of minus 524 and 678. Then we have to subtract this sum from minus 92. First we have to find the sum of these numbers. Again for finding the sum we have to do minus plus minus. So you have to minus subtract this from this. Answer will be 154 and before 678 there is positive sign, so there will be positive. Now we have to subtract the sum, this sum from minus 92. We have to subtract 154 from minus 92. Clear? We have to subtract the sum. This is sum. 154 is the sum of this number, these number. So we have to subtract 154 from minus 92. We will write minus 92 first, then subtract 154. Minus minus will be plus. So we have to add these numbers. 246 and before 154 there is minus sign. Then we put minus sign here because sign of bigger number will come in the answer. Fourth question is same as third question. Try it yourself. Now we will be doing fifth question. Okay, in fifth question the sum of two integers is minus 278. If one integer is minus 156, find the other. Sum of two integers. Sum of two integers is minus 278. Minus 278. If one integer, you have given one integer minus 156. Minus 156 is given. You have to find the other integer. Let the other integer be x. जो हमें इंटीजर निकालना है हमने उसको x सेलेक्ट कर लिया है. दो इंटीजर्स का सम minus 278 है. x को इधर ही रहने देंगे. minus 278 minus 156 will become plus 156 after going equal to. Then plus minus will be minus. You have to subtract. Answer will be 122. But before 278 there is minus sign. We have to put minus sign here. Other integer will be minus 122. Clear? other integer will. In sixth question, we have to find the sum of these two numbers and difference of these two numbers, and then we have to subtract the sum from the difference. Okay, first we find the sum. Sum will be minus 42 plus minus minus 147. Answer will be 981. Sum is 189. Now find the difference. Difference will be minus 283. We have put minus here because we have to find the difference. Minus minus plus 415. 415 में से 283 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, आंसर विल बी 132. 132 of positive sign. Clear? Now we have to subtract sum. Subtract sum from the difference. Difference is 132. We have to subtract sum from difference. We will write 132 minus 189. We have to subtract sum from the difference. Difference में से sum को subtract करना है. 132 minus minus will become plus 189. Answer will be 221. Answer will be 221. Answer will be 321. Sorry. Answer will be 321. Now in seventh question we have to simplify. We have to solve the equation. 14 minus minus will become plus, plus 18, plus minus will become minus, plus minus will become minus 32, and this minus minus will become plus. Okay, now we will add 14, 18 and 15. 14, 18 and 15, then subtract it from 32. 14, 18 and 15 will become 12 and 5, 7, 4. Minus 32, answer will be 15. In 8th question, आपको a की वैल्यू दे रखी है, b की वैल्यू दे रखी है, and you have to show that a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Simply put the values of a and b in the equation and solve. A is given minus 10, b is given minus 4, b is given minus 4 and a is given minus 10. Minus 10 minus minus plus. Either minus 4 minus minus will become plus 10. Okay. 10 में से 4 minus plus minus. You have to subtract, answer will become 6 minus 6 because 10 is bigger number and before the bigger number there is minus sign, we have to put minus sign here. In this case minus plus minus, answer will be 6, but it is positive 6 because before bigger number there is positive sign. So we can see minus 6 is never equal to 6. Minus 6 कभी भी plus 6 के equal नहीं हो सकता. 9th and 10th question are your simplification question. Try to do it yourself and we will be doing next exercise in our next video.